Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. In last class we have learned birds. Okay, the name of the birds. Today we will learn nest of birds. Birds have their own home which is called a nest. They build their nest to lay eggs and protect their chicks from any danger. They build their nest on branches of trees, holes in trees, old buildings and cracks in walls. They use leaves, sticks, grasses, pieces of cloth and cotton to build their nest. Let us study about the nest built by few birds. Okay, the first one, sparrow's nest. Birds such as sparrow build their nest using sticks, pieces of cloth and grasses on the trees and even inside our home. Sparrows nest using sticks, pieces of cloth and grasses on the trees and even inside a home. The next one, parrot. Okay, parrot and parrot live inside trees trunks by making holes in the trees using their strong beaks. Have you understood? Okay. Parrot live inside a tree trunks by making big hole in the trees using their strong beak. The next one, pigeon. Pigeon build their nest using sticks, pieces of cloth and grasses on the trees and even inside our home. Okay, pigeon's nest. This is a pigeon's nest. Pigeons build their nest using sticks. You will see children using sticks, pieces of cloth and grasses on the trees and dry leaves even inside our home. Okay, have you understood? The next one, woodpecker's hole. Woodpeckers live inside the tree trunks by parrot and woodpeckers also live inside the tree. Okay, trunks by making holes in the trees using their strong beaks. Have you understood? Birds such as parrot and woodpecker live inside the tree trunks by making holes in the trees using their strong beaks. The next one, eagles. What is that? Eagle's nest. Eagles builds a nest with wings and sticks at height on a tree. It is a height on a tree. An eagle has biggest nest among all the birds. An eagle has a biggest nest among all the trees. Okay, among all the birds. Have you understood? The next one, weaver bird's nest. Okay. Weaver birds is known for its nest. It makes a beautiful nest. Yes or no, children? You will see the picture. It make a beautiful nest. Weaver bird uses grass and leaves to weave a nest. Around the branches of trees. around the branches of trees. Okay, weaver bird is known for its nest. It makes a beautiful nest. Weaver bird uses grass and leaves to weave a nest around the branches of trees. Okay, we will see children. It is a beautiful nest. The next one, it is also a beautiful bird. Okay, tailor bird. Are you here? Are you know the tailor bird? Tailor bird. You will see the picture. Tailor bird is a small bird, very small bird. It gets its name from the way it build a nest. Okay, it is a build the nest. You will see that picture, children. The bird is make a stitches for one leaf to another leaf. The bird sews the nest of the leaves with plant fiber and build a nest inside it. Okay, fiber. The bird sews the ends for the leaves with plants fiber and build a nest inside it. Okay, they have inside it. Have you understood? Okay, children. Today we will see sparrow nest, parrot hole, pigeon nest, and woodpecker hole. Then eagle nest, weaver bird nest, then tailor bird nest. Okay, have you understood this lesson? Okay, children, we will see the next class.